This is a Poetic hard case protection for the Google Pixel 4a. This is the regular 4a, not the 5G version. This cost me about $13 including shipping. So this is a two-part case, and it includes this screen film protector. It also includes a front piece that doesn't have the screen film protector. So if you wish to use your phone without the screen protector, you can snap this guy in instead. Now, one corner has a little notch, and that's the corner you pull on to get the front half detached from the back half of this case. And once you have it started, it's pretty easy to pull off. So if you want to use it with the screen protector, you put this guy on. If you want to use it without, you put that guy on, and then you snap it back in here. Now, it also has kind of a plastic cover on the back here, just to see the back of your phone. There's a cutout for the fingerprint sensor and a cutout for the camera. Now, not included is a screen cleaning system. And so if you're going to be putting your screen behind a plastic protector, you want this screen to be as clean as possible when it goes in there. So there is a camera hole to help line things up. I'm going to put the keys in first, because these buttons here stick out just a little bit. So I'm going to place those first and then snap this front case on. And I have a little hair, but luckily it was on the outside there. So this guy goes into here, and there's the cutout corner here, which I think I'll do last. Camera and fingerprint sensor line it up with the front here. Alright, so that case has a little opening here for your 3.5 audio jack that will snap closed. Camera cutout and fingerprint sensor cutouts work very nicely. There's a little opening for the microphone. Your buttons here, you can easily push. They have these cutouts and they work very well with that. On the bottom, there's the USB-C port with this guy that will snap in there, and then your speaker openings are open there. So it fits the phone very well. It has a good rubber cushion all the way around the outside. There's, the thin plastic on the screen in the front, which does not keep your touch sensing from working, with a cutout for the camera there. And then on the back, you have the plastic around here with the cutouts for the fingerprint sensor and the camera. So it does a pretty good job protecting the phone, plus the screen there if you're not using the open front here.